Want to speak real German from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at GermanPod101.com.
Hi everybody, Anja here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, while I'll answer some of your most common German questions. The question for this lesson is, does umfahren have two different meanings? The word umfahren can mean both knock down and dive around in German. However, people can tell what it means by either the context of the sentence or the placement of stress on the word. The difference is that umfahren, to knock down, is a separable prefix like ich fahre while umfahren, meaning to drive around, is a non-separable prefix like ich umfahre. Let's do some examples so we can learn how to use umfahren correctly. If you pronounce the word as umfahren with an emphasis on that means knock down. For example, ich habe aus Versehen den Baum umgefahren. I accidentally knocked down the tree. Also, with this definition, can be separated from fahren, like in this sentence. Ich fahre den Baum meaning I knocked down the tree with a car. If you pronounce the word as umfahren with an emphasis on fahren, that means drive around. For example, ich umfahre die Insel. Literally, I now drive around the island. With this definition, cannot be separated from fahren. Another similar example is umschreiben. When is emphasized, it means to rewrite something. And when schreiben is emphasized, it means to describe something. But be careful. Ich schreibe den Text when the prefix is separable. It means I rewrite the text. How was this lesson? Pretty interesting, right? Do you have any more questions? Leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. Tschüss, bis zum nächsten Mal. Bye, see you next time.